but they are well suited for the dark, high-pressure environment where it resides. Despite its fearsome appearance, the goblin shark poses little threat to humans. Encounters are extremely rare due to its deep-sea habitat. However, its presence is crucial for marine biodiversity, as it helps maintain the balance within its ecosystem. The goblin shark's continued mystery underscores the vast, largely uncharted territories of our oceans. In conclusion, the goblin shark is a remarkable reminder of the ocean's depth and diversity. Its unique features and adaptations make it a subject of great interest for marine biologists and ocean enthusiasts alike. Each discovery about this deep-sea resident adds a fascinating piece to the puzzle of our underwater world.